Welcome back to the video. So we are going to cover importing the contacts from external sources inside the GHL CRM. So let's hop into the GHL. Right now I'm inside my contacts tab. So I'll go into the importing section. I want to import the contacts. So I will just import the contacts. Now from here I need to select a file from my own local system, which could be an XLS file or CSV file. So there's an option for the CSV file. I'll just open my CSV file. So there are the options for creating the contacts. If I select the create contacts, all the contacts present in this CSV file will be created from scratch. But if I select the create and update contacts, only the files, contacts which are already present in my CRM already, they will just get updated. So I will just use this option. And now here comes the mapping part, which is the step 3. So these column headers in the file are actually the names of the column inside the CSV file. And if you see here, the fields tab, these are the names of variables inside the Go High Level CRM. So you can see name from the CSV file is mapped into the name variable of the CRM. Same goes with the phone and email, but you can see there is no mapping for the niches, which is a column inside the file, my CSV file. So I will just select a custom field that I just created before the video, which is business niche. So otherwise I have other fields. I will just I won't be selecting any CRM field right here because I don't know what type of data might be present. Most of the time the data, if something you are being shown is field 21, means most probably that field will be empty. So I would just don't import from unmapped columns. I can create a smart list, but I don't want to create a smart list for now. Yep. Confirm that and start the bulk import. So yep, I've just created and the contacts. I might refresh the document. Yep, I have imported all the contacts right here. This is the date and time right now. So yeah, this procedure is done. And if you find this video very helpful, you may like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.